Hi guys, welcome to the tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see about the reflection. Reflection is the process of inspecting the programming elements. Reflection APIs are used to get the information about the programming elements. This is called reflection process. Uh, uh, in this video, we will see a program how to explore the how to inspect a class using the reflection API. So here I have created a class. This class is having a private, public methods as well as a public private fields. So using the reflection API, we are going to inspect about this class. So this is a class I have created for reflection. Uh, Reflection APIs are inside java.lang.reflect package. So here in this class, we are using the two classes, fields and methods inside the reflect package. So I have imported those two packages, and now we will see the program. Uh, for starting the reflection, you have to use the object of the class. This class is belongs to java.lang.package. You have to create an object for the particular class, and this object should be pointing. This reference should be pointing to the the class which we are going to inspect. This is the class and dot class. Using the dot class, we are creating object for this particular class. So we have created an object of the class, and now we can get the information about the class. So if you want to get the class name, you can use get name method. So here I have declared a class name as a string, and to get the class name, I'm saying reflection helper class dot get name, and I'm printing the same. And if you want to get the superclass name, you can use get superclass method. And if you want to get the package, you can use get package method. So I'm printing all those results. Let me execute the program and we will see the output till now. So class name, it is printing the class name with the whole package. And for a superclass, it is not extending any class, so it has only the superclass as the object class. So java.lang.object is a superclass for this particular class. And the package, so it is printing the package. Next, we will see how to get the information about how to inspect the how to inspect about the fields and the method of the particular class. So to inspect about the fields, you should use the class called field. So I have declared the field class, and this is object for the fields class, and I'm using get fields method. This is method is used for getting all the fields except the private fields in the particular class. So this fields object will hold the array of fields, and using the for each loop, I'm iterating. So this is the type. For each loop, you have to give the type, and you have to give one temporary element name, and this is the whole array object. So each element I'm iterating, and I'm using the get name method. I'm printing the each element. So as I told you, using the get fields, we will get only the public fields. And if you won't get all the fields like public, private, you have to use the get declare fields. So in the second iteration, I have used the get declare fields, and this is private fields is hold this object is holding all the fields of a particular class, and using the for each loop, I'm iterating. So here using the get name method, I'm printing the fields. And if you want to get the methods, you have to use the method class. And this object will hold the all the objects of a methods. And to get the methods, there is a method called get declare methods. This will give you all the methods, including private methods. So using the for each loop, I'm iterating. Here the type, and m is a temporary variable, and methods is the array. It is holding all the array of methods, and for each method object, I'm getting the name of the particular method and I'm printing here. So get name method is used to get the name of the method. Now we will check the output for the second part. So here the public fields. In the public fields, we have got department name and employee ID. And in all the fields section, we have got name, age, department ID, employee ID. So just we will check. See, public fields are only the department name and the employee ID. We have got it here, and we have got it here, and we have got all the fields in the second section. And in the third section, we have got all the methods: get name, set name, say get name, set name, get age, set age, and also the get department name, set department name. So in this video, we have seen what is reflection, how to inspect a program, like how to get the name of the class, how to get the package name, and how to get the superclass. And also, we have seen how to access the fields and how to get the information about the methods of a particular class. Thank you for watching the tutorial. Have a great day.